Today is another hard day for Master Shelyu. To repair a 4W hollow wrench. A look at the outside revealed that the ratchet of the wrench was cracked. Find a tool to remove the screws on the outer baffle. Remove the combination pin. Knock down the outer baffle. Take out the ratchet. Ratchet damage. Install new wheels. Install the outer baffle. Install the combination box. Screw on. Put the wrench on the test bench and test it. Test completed. The wrench is okay. It has been repaired. If you also have hydraulic tools that need to be repaired, follow me.